So welcome back to channel everyone, Triple M here, and if you're in the market for a Fire TV stick replacement, you might have heard of these new contenders that I'm about to mention. First one is going to be the Xiaomi TV Box S. This is the third generation. Second one is going to be the brand new Onn 4K Plus from Walmart. You might be thinking, why am I replacing the Firestick? Rumors yesterday showed that Amazon is in fact rolling out Vega in their upcoming Fire TV stick. So that means that no side loading if you purchase a new Firestick. And because of this, a lot of people are looking for alternatives. So we're going to jump into these two budget-friendly devices. Let me know which one you think deserves the HDMI port on your television. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Now first, let's take a look at the specification. Now both devices are rocking a quad-core processor with ARM G310 version 2 GPU, which means perfect performance for everyday streaming, app launches, as well as some light gaming. Now the Xiaomi Mi Box S 3rd generation is powered by 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, which is a massive win if you're someone who likes to download a lot of apps. Now that's double or even triple the storage you'll find on most budget streaming devices. The upcoming Onn 4K Plus also gives you 2 gigs of RAM, but with 16 gigs of storage, which is still a big step up from the Firestick and previous Onn models. Early leaks suggest that it's using the Amlogic S905 X5M chip, giving it a slight edge in modern architecture and efficiency. So as far as the performance, Xiaomi is going to take it for storage, but the Onn might edge it out in raw processing power with the new chip. Audio and video support. Now both devices fully support 4K streaming at 60 frames per second, but that's not all. They also support Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus for rich colors and deep contrast on supported television. On the audio side, both support Dolby Atmos DTS:X, making them great option if you got a home theater setup or even just a solid soundbar. Now the winner of the AV support is a tie. Both punch well above their weight when it comes to audio, connectivity, as well as ports. Now one of the most exciting changes in the new Onn 4K Plus is a switch to USB-C power, a big upgrade from the outdated micro USB from the earlier models. Plus it includes some mounting adhesives if you want to stick it on the back of your television. Now the Xiaomi Mi Box S keeps its classic with HDMI 2.1 with a dedicated USB 2 port, as well as a separate power input. Now both is going to offer dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2, so wireless performance should be rock solid either way. As far as the winner, I'm going to give this to the Xiaomi Mi Box because it does have a power port and a separate USB port, as well as an HDMI port. The Onn only has a USB-C port that's also used for power, so if you need an additional USB port, you will need to go out and buy an OTG adapter. Alright, let's talk about software and regional lock. Now both devices are going to run Google TV, not Android TV, and if you guys don't know the difference, I did a dedicated video just showing you what the differences are between the two. So you're getting the modern interface with personalized recommendations and support for profile, watch lists, and more. But the big thing, the Onn 4K Plus may be regional locked, and that's just going off the other releases that they have. The box clearly states it's US and Puerto Rico only, and if it follows last year's trends, Walmart might enforce that with a software lock, so keep that in mind. So that makes the Xiaomi Mi Box S a safer option for international buyers or travelers since it doesn't come with those restrictions. So winner for software flexibility is going to be the Xiaomi Mi Box S. As far as remotes and usability, both boxes ship with a minimalistic Google TV style remote. The Onn remote includes a free TV button, continuing Walmart's push towards its free streaming ecosystem. Now that could be a handy shortcut if you're using Pluto, Tubi, or other new offerings. The Xiaomi Mi Box remote is sleek and familiar and includes voice search via the Google Assistant. As far as the winner for the remote, is going to depend on preference. Onn for the shortcut lovers and Xiaomi for the sleek and minimalistic look. So which one to me is going to be the best Firestick replacement? So if you want more storage, broader compatibility, the Xiaomi Mi Box X 3rd generation is your best bet. It's great for installing lots of apps, side loading, as well as traveling internationally. Now if you want something that's a little bit faster, Google integration, and you're based in the US or Puerto Rico, the Walmart Onn 4K Plus may be promising, especially if it drops at a low price that we've seen with the past couple devices. So with that said, both devices side by side, I would pick the Xiaomi Mi Box S, and part of that is just you get that USB port, you do get more storage. I just own the previous two Xiaomi Mi Boxes and they're still rock solid. The only caveat, the price. So currently the Xiaomi Mi Box S is on AliExpress for $65. You can find it in other places like eBay for more, but that is going to be a huge factor. With the Onn 4K Streaming Pro, this type of device I think is going to be around $25 to $30, which would make it the winner for me. I do like the Xiaomi Box S more than the Onn 4K Plus. However, I can't look past that price tag. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you had the choice between these two devices, which one would you pick? Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.